Road Trip Box Breaks here with another break. We got the Top Stadium Club 2019 baseball. They give you 2 on-card autographs in every box. Could be a redemption, could not. Been wanting to do this for a while. Finally just said screw it, I'll buy one at the CSA show over in Chantilly, Virginia. So let's do it. Now the other thing about these hobby boxes, they do have box top card or size loader, which can be autographed. So I think with this one, we're going to hold on to this and do that last. But we've got 16 packs here. We'll just take these right out. So stack these up here. 8 cards per pack. Packs with a special insert may only contain 7 cards. The odds here, those taking note at home. All right there. So let's see what we got. All right. So we've got Carlos Santana, Syndergaard, Diaz, Hernandez, Christy Mathewson. It's a red refractor. Parallel rather. Kyle Tucker. That's a Stadium Club Chrome. Got Robin Yount and Cole Hamel. So pack one, number 1, giving us that Stadium Club Chrome and the red parallel. Red foil rather. Let's see, we've got Carlos Carrasco, Matt Harvey, Deki Matsui, Brendan Crawford, Kyle Tucker. That's Ken Griffey Jr. That's a black Ken Griffey Jr., Hannes Wagner, and Darryl Strawberry. So far, got a couple cool cards there. This back just a little bit. Give us some more natural light. Luis Castillo, Corey Kluber, Luis Gurriel, Remoto. We got Corey Seager, the red. Brad Keller, auto. There's one of the autos in the box. Rhys Hoskins and Eddie Murray. So let's throw that Keller right into the sleeve there. Pulled one of those the other day in a Topps Chrome box. Was less than excited. Cole Calhoun, Josh James, rookie, Rector of Wisdom, Arias, Zimmerman, Warp Speed, that is a Byron Buxton, Will Myers, and Andrelton Simmons. If you get to a place where you got 2 boxes to choose from, you choose one, and you say maybe I should have chose that other. One of those moments right now. Trey Mancini, Chris Sale, Roy Halladay, Adam Jones, Todd Frazier, red foil, Ken Griffey Jr., that's a parallel, Steven Strasburg, and Julio Urias. Give me a Vlad Jr. auto, and I'll forget all about the Brad Keller. Ender Encarte, Javier Baez, Otani, Ty Cobb, Verlander, Garrett Cole, Foil, and Piscotty. Now this is card that I pulled a retail 1/1 Acuna insert. Chris Taylor, Gary Sanchez, Frank Thomas, Juan Spahn, Jonathan Shoup, Chris Bryant, Beam Team, Matt Carpenter, and Enrique Henderson. Stalin Castro, Ricky Henderson, George Springer, Rogers Hornsby, Matt Carpenter, it's a Power Zone, Ronald Acuna Jr., Luis Severino, Marcus Stroman. So, before we turn the corner, I think I'm going to change my mind, and we are going to do this oversized top loader. Now, sometimes these things are actually autographed. Sometimes they're not. We have an Ichiro. It appears to be an Ichiro Suzuki. Cool card. No auto. All good though. Gonna keep it moving. We've got a Travis Shaw, Trevor Bauer, Brooks Robinson, Paul DeJong, Will Clark, Duke Snyder, red foil, Toussaint, Yelich. Miles Straw, rookie, Matt Olson, Garrett Cole, Tommy Pham, Eckerslees, Reyes, Babe Ruth, Chris Davis. Never thought you'd hear those words in the same sentence before. Babe Ruth, Chris Davis. Yeah. Looking for a big hit here. Jeff McNeil, Kristen Stewart, Edgar Martinez, Ichiro, Arcia, Dallas Coulter, Bo Jackson, Jackie Bradley Jr. Jorge Alfaro, Mark Trumbo, Aaron Nolan, Shin-Soo Shu, Felipe Vasquez, Ronald Acuna Jr. Power Zone. Let's see, that is not numbered. So, since I already got the 1/1, I know it wasn't that. 4 packs left. Brad Keller, not auto. Yu Darvish, Fulton Weiss, Jordan Marquez, Kyle Freeland, Johnny Cueto, Eloy Jimenez, Lewis Brinson. Still hunting for a Pete Alonso in this. Walker Buehler, Tanaka, Chris Archer, Calhoun, Michael Conforto, Bob Feller, Nicholas Castellanos, and Barry Larkin. 2 packs. Which one will hold? What we're looking for. And by what I'm looking for is a no big deal Pete Alonso autograph, you know. I don't even know if that's an option in here, but whatever. Wilson Contreras, Tim Anderson, Pete Alonso, yes, got that rookie. Ozzie Smith, Edwin Encarnacion, Eloy Jimenez auto. That is huge. That is a huge card. I'll take that. That is a nice, nice, nice hit. Little Wade Boggs action. Byron Buxton. So, wow. I will take that. certainly take that. And the last pack. What do we got? Salvador Perez, Justin Turner, Jim Palmer, D. Gordon, Carlos Martinez, Victor Robles, Warp Speed, Sandy Koufax, and Juan Soto. So overall, I'm pretty happy. I mean, Keller offset by Eloy Jimenez, autograph, a few red foils, a couple black foils, a chrome, and an Ichiro box topper. So there's your rundown. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.